How's it going, everybody? Zach here at MarineMax and Coco, and check out this beautiful boat. We just got this boat in on trade. This is a 2023 Boston Whaler 280 Dauntless. Inshore fishing machine, perfectly capable for offshore. Just about everything you need in this 28-foot package. It's a white boat, beautiful white hull, white rub rail with stainless steel insert, chrome graphics, and matching twin white Mercury 300s with 300 engine hours on it. Let's take a look inside. So here we are inside of this 280 Dauntless. Back here in the stern, we've got a freshwater washdown and a battery charger. You've got this massive casting platform, plenty of room to do all your casting, and then underneath, this massive bench seat in the back of your cockpit here. Your live well is right here. Very spacious, fit all your bait. And you can check this out right here on your leaning post. This is the deluxe leaning post. So you do have a sink, some storage, and rod holder, rocket launchers all throughout this boat. Plenty of rod storage. Moving up to your helm here. Super comfortable, very durable helm seats. Super sturdy. Two massive Simrad MFDs, as well as a Simrad VHF, your digital binnacle for your Mercury 300s, super smooth, and your remote for your power pole, which is super nice. You've also got all your rocker switches, little glove box there for storage. We'll move on up to the bow. Up here at the bow, first thing you're going to notice is this massive coffin box we've got right here. So you do have a cushion that goes over top. And look at all the space in here. It goes so deep, you need a side step so that you can go all the way down there. That's perfect for storing things like you do have fishing rod storage that goes into your console, as well as dive tanks, any kind of gear for the sandbar, all your floatables. So much storage right here in this coffin box. It's my favorite part about this boat. Moving up here, you do have your bench seats that your backrest will flip up so that when you're cruising down the intercoastal waterway out here on the Indian River, your passengers can sit up here nice and cozy. Windlass storage in there, another platform for your casting. Like I said, this is a fishing machine. More rod holders, more cup holders, beautiful JL audio speakers. And we'll take a look in the console right here. You do have a flushable head compartment in this console. And like I said as well, you can stick your fishing rods through there. You have a table for up in the bow stored in there. This is just an absolutely awesome boat. It is available right now at MarineMax Coco. So if you'd like to just come by, take a look at it, or view it online by clicking the link in the description.